Hi, my name is Mark Girding. I'm with Advanced Industrial Measurement, showing our shop floor CMMs as well as our lab CMMs. Our shop floor CMMs consist of two sizes, the 594 and the 810-6. Our shop machines support the entire family of Renishaw probing with the exception of the Revo. So the shop floor CMMs can provide 5-axis measurement capabilities on the shop floor next to the machine tool, where either an operator can load the machine or a robot can load the machine. And we can take it even a little further than that. We could actually provide feedback to the machine tool for tool offsets. So we can achieve that through the use of our HB series, our hard bearing machines. No errors required. The only thing that's required to run these machines is 110 volts. So it's literally plug and play. If you're looking for a shop floor CMM, you can reach our partners in Mexico, Altec.